It's the wrong time to
Ikaw ang nagpakita ng kahanga-hangang determinasyon at pagsisikap para sa katuparan ng iyong mga pangarap. Congratulations dahil ikaw ang kukumpleto sa ating Big Five! Rob! Congratulations!
Let's be. Hear this drum beat.
During your whole stay inside the house, what have you done that you are most ashamed of or not proud of, and why?
As I'm becoming a man, I've got to own up to my mistakes, and it's best to own up to it here. I'm most ashamed of shouting at Kai for that 1 week, doing something really wrong or disgusting behavior. A gentleman always asks for consent, and I just was not at that moment. Those are probably the 2 actions I'm most ashamed of, and 3 probably when I burst out in emotions. These are the things that a man does not do because they need to take responsibility and think before they act, and these 3 moments I completely own up to.
Big Five, if you were to have a meet and greet sa mga bashers mo, ano ang balak mong gawin o sabihin sa kanila?
With these bashers, they've got some problem with me. Whatever, I can take it. Some of them have really good criticism, some of them don't have good criticism. If they want to chant some nasty thing to me, I would just chant along with them. I'd probably, pop along, dance with them, whatever. I can't really be bothered to fight back or spread any negative energy, so whatever, let's do it. Let's just party.
Pagkakataon o specific instance sa loob ng bahay na magpapatunay na ikaw ang karapat-dapat na maging big winner?
The one moment where I proved that I deserve to be the big winner, I think, was when I cried, being true to myself. I couldn't do it, and at that moment I realized that I had to be really true to myself and say, listen, maybe I can't do it, and that's the moment where I really opened up and was truthful. So yeah.
Hear this drum beat of my weak heart. Is this a lie to see? You gave me last night full of bright lights, and take away my fear of falling asleep. When I fall down, will you follow me into the dark, dark? When we bleed out, will you carry me into the lights, lights? Let's be. Let's be. Let's be. Let's
He knows what he's not proud of. He knows those instances specifically kung anong ginawa na ayaw niya paulitin or something. And that takes courage din eh. Siyempre, to own up to your mistakes and admit it and be a better person. And he said, like I said, he wants to own up to it and
The thing about Rob, in his speech, he was able to give concrete examples, and he used the power of 3. He gave 3 instances where he felt na hindi niya may pagmamalaki and he felt bad dun sa nagawa niya, and he owned up to his mistakes. Plus, he turned it around and did something about it para i-correct yung mga ginawa niya. So yun yung sobrang na-appreciate ko kay Rob, kasi it came straight from his heart, his realization that he had committed mistakes. These are my mistakes. I am not proud of them, but I have done something to correct them. Diba?
and siya yung parang para sa akin nagsagot ng tanong diretso talaga.
And from the heart.
Yes.
From the mula